In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same shortcut again. You can also go into devices settings, click on display, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!